that M4 slip-on down at the bottom there. Just put it in yesterday. I've gooped it up and allowed the silicone to dry just to seal the joint. And I've actually already warmed the bike up, so I'm going to fire it up so you can hear it, and then I'll do a little walk around just to show you what things sound like and give you a little bit of revving here and there. So yeah, let's do it. Here's what it sounds like from the back. So that's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like from the back. Yeah, quite loud. No cat anymore. Saved about 10 pounds on the install. Did a couple other minor things as well. K&N air filter in there, and just some cheapo frame sliders here. And away we go. See you soon.